One of the very important topics under NET paper 1 and the expected questions for 2024 is Utsaha portal. Utsaha is undertaking transformative strategies and actions in higher education. So undertaking transformative strategies and action in higher education. Now when it pertains to higher education, it is under the new education policy 2020, especially focusing on higher educational institutions. Now UGC's initiative aims to bring in guidelines that would be available to the stakeholders across the following areas. That is internationalization of education. So the education would be provided to the students, and there would be an international access to the education. There would be memorandum of understanding being signed with different organizations and different universities. Multidisciplinary and holistic education. This would include ABC, which is the academic bank of credits, multiple entry and exit for the academic programs. Also, it would talk about National Higher Education Quality Framework. Digital empowerment, online education is another aspect. Under skill building and employability, industry and institute linkage, very important. Providing internship, apprenticeship training, then research, innovation, entrepreneurship, capacity building, so providing teachers training, quality education, bringing in governance, autonomy for the education, ranking and accreditation under the NAC, then the quality standards to be noted, bringing in a holistic education, which would be equitable education, inclusive education, and promoting Indian language, that is education in the regional language would be one of the important aspects. So the Utsaha portal, which is undertaking transformative strategies and actions for higher education, is a really important portal, and there could be a direct question: which of the following is not a thrust area of Utsaha portal or is among the thrust areas of Utsaha portal? So these 10 aspects you must be very familiar with. Thanks for joining in today, and the detailed paper 1 lecture course is available in the description below.